Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily mark as sold an ad or item on Gumtree. So all you have to do is head over to Gumtree and make sure that you log into your account. In the top right corner, you should be able to see the login button. Just click on it. So from here, you also have an option to register if you still doesn't have an account, but you can also just click on login. So in the top right corner of your account dashboard, you should be able to see menu. Just click on it. Then from the drop down, just click on manage my ads. So from here, you should be able to see all your active ads listings, and if an ad is already sold, you should be able to see mark as sold option. And an easier option or method is simply by deleting your ad. That way the viewers will not be confused whether the ad is still available or not. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!